Okay, today you're going to be doing a Gale database scavenger hunt. You can find the databases by going to Files and clicking on Database Searches. When you click on this, you will see several different sources to look up peer-reviewed research papers and peer-reviewed articles. The only one you're going to use for today's purposes is the Gale database. So you will follow the link. That will take you to the Gale product menu. It'll ask you for the password, which is on the paper, on the database searches. The password is green, all lowercase. Once you're in there, you will have this page in front of you. The only one that you want to click on is the Gale Academic OneFile tab. When you click on that, you will have a search bar show up. For today's purposes, I am going to do one of the first ones for you. The first one on your scavenger hunt is animal testing. So I'm going to type in animal testing. A lot of articles will come up. I'm going to narrow it down to just peer-reviewed journals, which is what you'll want to do for all of your articles, including the ones that you use for your research paper. They need to be peer-reviewed. That adds credibility to your paper. Okay, now that I have only peer-reviewed articles, you'll see that there are pages and pages of articles to choose from. I'm just going to select a random one from the site. Let's see, I'm going to do animal testing and its alternatives. So I'm going to click on the link. And we have the full article title. We have the abstract, which basically explains what the article is going to be about, what it's going to cover. And then we have the actual article itself. And as you scroll down, you'll see there are different sections of it. Animal testing by numbers. There's a really cool graphic. And there's lots of information that I could pull if I were writing a research paper and I was focusing on animal testing, whether I was pro or against it. I could pull quotes from this article. A really cool thing about the Gale database is that at the very end of every article, when you scroll all the way down to the bottom, it's a long article. Picked a really long one. Okay, I'm going to keep going. Let me just do this. Wow, that's a really long article. Not all of them will be this long. Look at the draw here. Okay, we're finally down to the end. Okay. At the bottom of every article, you will have the full citation already done for you. You will make sure that you are using the MLA 9th edition, which this one is already set to. If you're Mr. Bragg's class and you were doing it, you would look up the APA and it gives you the citation. Some professors will ask for the Chicago, and there it is, and then there's the Harvard. We are using the 9th edition. So the really cool thing is that you can just copy and paste it directly into your assignment. You can copy and paste it into your works cited, and there it'll be. The only difference is that this is an Arial font. So you will still have to change it to Times New Roman, make sure it's 12-point size, and you'll still have to alphabetize it. But you're not going to have to look up, how do I cite this? It's already done for you, and it's in the latest MLA edition. It's even more current than the Al Purdue website, which currently has the 8th edition available. So you've got it all right there for you. Copy and paste it. On the assignment, you have animal